So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to switch spectrum router from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz, split bands and connect smart devices. So how to switch spectrum router from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz. Open the My Spectrum app, then go to services, then internet, then your Wi-Fi network. Look for advanced settings, then turn off smart connect and disable the 5 GHz band or split the network names. Then connect your device to the 2.4 GHz network, which provide better compatibility and longer range. So many smart devices like old phones, old laptop, cameras, etc. only work on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Spectrum router usually combine 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz into one network name. So your phone may connect to 5 GHz and fail to set up the device. The solution is to split the band or temporarily force your phone to 2.4 GHz. Split the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band. Open the My Spectrum app on your phone, tap services, then internet, then your Wi-Fi network. Look for advanced setting, then turn off smart connect. You will now see two network. Network name 2G, 2.4 GHz and network name 5G, 5 GHz. Connect your phone and smart device to the 2.4 GHz network to complete setup. After setup, the device will stay connected automatically. Split the band through router, web settings, alternative. Connect to your Spectrum Wi-Fi, open a browser and go to this IP address. Log in using the router admin credentials. Go to wireless setting, ANS, disable and band steering smart connect. Rename the network Home Wi-Fi 2.4 and Home Wi-Fi 5. Save settings and reconnect. Thank you.